Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a DIY slime video, and please excuse my attire. I just had a long day at work, and meet my new kitty. Her name is Sapphire. Say hi, Sapphire. Alright guys, if you're interested in seeing how to make this DIY slime, then just keep on watching.
Alright, so the first thing you're going to need is 100% pure cornstarch and liquid dish soap. Now I have Dawn dish soap and I'm not sure if it has to be a certain brand, but this is just what I had, so I use this. Alright, and as for measurements, I really don't have any. I just squeezed maybe 3 or 4 tablespoons of dish soap. And then I just poured some cornstarch. I want to say maybe about 3 or 4 as well tablespoons. But you just keep stirring it, and you gotta have it to the right consistency. As you can tell, I had to add a little bit more because I did have quite a bit of dish soap. You just gotta add little by little because you don't want to actually overdo it, because when you overdo it then you have to put more dish soap and then so on. So the process becomes even longer than it should be. It looks great. Now it's time to feel it. Alright, and as you guys can tell, it did turn out a lot better than I thought it would actually. But it did take quite a bit of kneading and a little bit more cornstarch in the end as well. As you can tell, it looks pretty good. It's not perfect, of course, but it is fun to make, and it is a great idea for a DIY, so I hope you guys enjoy it. So guys, if you'd like to do this at home, just give me a comment down below how yours turned out. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you like these kinds of videos.
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and until next time, I love you guys.